What's up, guys? What's happening? It's your boy Prince from Web Outsource, and we're here today. We are actually going to design my personal portfolio from scratch. We'll be using Bootstrap 5. So let's get this rolling. So as you can see here, I have opened, I designed my portfolio in Adobe XD, and as you can see here, I have this is the landing page and this is the works page. So I basically just have two pages because I don't think I need to put a lot of things on it really. So as you can see, since we're using Bootstrap uses a grid system based on columns, like call dash sm, call dash mmd, call dash xl or l. I'm not quite sure. I really haven't used much of Bootstrap in a long time, but yeah, it just seemed like this was a good idea for me to do my project in Bootstrap, which would make me not have to do a lot when trying to make this site of mine more mobile friendly. So as you can see here, we're gonna have the nav bar on the left side, and then we're gonna have this whole entire section here. We're gonna have it on the right side. So basically what this means that we need a container for everything that we're seeing here, and then we need a column. So now the good thing about Bootstrap is, since its column system is divided into 12, we can actually maybe make this the call SM or MD4, meaning that we are partitioning this whole site and giving this portion just 4 out of the 12, making this 8 left on the side. So let's get into it. I won't be saying much really, so let's just watch. If you got questions, please post them there in the comment section. Please subscribe if you find this tutorial video helpful. So yeah, let's get it. And as I said, it's been a long while since I used Bootstrap, so I'll be opening a lot of documentation. So for my beginners, I hope you guys will find this helpful. So let's get it. Okay, so I already have my HTML normal template that you use. This is just the basic. So I've already pulled in Bootstrap already, and as well as the needed JS file for Bootstrap. So you can get this straight from Bootstrap. I didn't even write this, I just copied it straight from Bootstrap. So then I'm also using a live server for those, because it's boring to always refresh your page again and again. So you find this in the extensions of VS Code. So just type live server, and well, I think I have terrible network. Just type live server. So the first one, I guess it's being used by many people. As you can see, the number of downloads that it has, up to 8 million already. So this is what I'm using. So when you have that, it will allow you to select here. So here it will write make site live. I don't know what, but it writes something down there. So then this is what I have. As you can see, this is what I have. Hello, how are you? So this is what we have right now, where we're starting from. So let's go. So I'm going to remove this 2 because I've been given an option to choose, and then also I'm choosing 2. So first thing first, what do we need? We're gonna get a div, and so if you ever see me writing class name, just know that I've been writing too much React. So yes, we're gonna need a container. So this comes straight from, and we're gonna make it fluid. So container fluid, it allows the web page to be fully sized on screen basically. So we have container fluid. We can check this in the documentation of Bootstrap. Layout, that's where you find these containers, and they explain these containers. But I don't want to make this video too long and explain too many things. So let's just get the code going and the ball rolling. So let's go. I'll need that. What else are we gonna need? We're gonna need a div. Then basically call this row. Then we're gonna need a div again. And a class name. Column. Say 4. Then okay, another div. So what has made me better at knowing how I want to lay down my HTML, it's actually looking at other people's code. Like I was looking at some those funny, where you get those funny templates, and then you just paste the code, and then you see how they've structured their HTML. That's how I actually got better at structuring my HTML. So what I'm basically doing here is that I'm creating a container, and then I'm going to have the row for the entire site, because what we have here is we're going to have this whole container, then we're going to have this row for the whole entire site. And then now I've also, as you can see, I've also created this column SM4, which I'm also going to create this column SM8. So defining it like this, it helps us set breaking points when we are going down the viewports. Let's say we're coming from the desktop going down to the mobile. So like when it gets to a mobile section, it will follow what you have put on your column SM or column SM8. So as I said, it's been a long time since I've used Bootstrap, so we're actually going to debug this and see what works and what does not work. Okay, so we're gonna need to set up this section first. Click something, just shouldn't click go out. So let's save that. Let's make sure that we have defined our columns. So navbar section. Terrible. Navbar section. I'm sure there's a way of getting these things easier. Like page content. Okay, so let's see what it will be showing. Okay, exactly. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna want to make the navbar section blue. Then we're gonna want to make the page content, the top section needs to have that blue section as well. So let's see how we can do this. So as you can see, it's actually since we put fluid, now see if I put container, what happens? It'll put some padding. So you see it put some padding on the ends there, but then I'm just gonna leave this as fluid. Okay, so let us set up the navbar. Let's look at some documentation. Okay, so this is what I want. I want it to be able to hide all of this on mobile. So let's test this because I've been testing this. So as you can see, this code will actually hide stuff for us here. Yeah, basically it will hide. So this is what I want. I want to be able to toggle this like this on mobile. So this is what I want. But now I also want this vertical. So what should we do? I think we should first get the paths that we want. So mainly the navbar will start there. This is where it will start. So these classes collapse navbar, they make this collapsing of the navbar happen. So we're going to need okay, let's take it all. Let's just copy it all. Let's take it and let's put it there. And obviously it's going to look crooked. So you see it's trying to fit everything in there. Good thing is that it's already styled, it's already looking proper, I should say. Okay. Let's see. So what do I want to do here? What do I not want is the question. So we want this brand, we want to be able to toggle, we want this, but what we don't want is this. This is what we don't want. Up to, we don't need a search as well. Up to there. So there we have it. Let me switch it up. So you see, now we have the toggle. It's a good thing. Okay. But do we want our navbar to be that huge? Let's see. Okay. So now let's go to the nav. Go to the navbars. What we want a vertical navbar. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna get this, and then paste it in there. Hopefully, so there we have it. I'm not sure this is exactly what we want to do, but there it hides, then shows. Okay, so that's a good thing that we have going for us there. Now we go back. So what do we want to do? We want to bring this here down and put it there. So let's see how we've structured this. This is, as you can see, it's fluid there. Navbar, expand, lights. Okay, that defines the background. Well, as I said, we are going to be learning many things at this point. So, okay, let's do this. I'm not going to add this here. So we're just gonna have it be able to toggle stuff. There like that. Okay, but right now we're creating for desktop. So as you can see, we have About Me and Works. So let's look up some. We need to look up some what you call this, some fonts. So let's get our fonts in order. Let's Google fonts. Okay, so let me see what font I was using. Poppins. Yeah, Poppins. So let's go there. And let's just type Poppins. Okay. Sorry if my volume is changing. So we need all these stars. I don't know if anyone really knows if there's a way to add, not have like a select all. I don't know if there's a select all. I'm not sure if I've seen one, because I hate this. I don't like this. I just want to take everything, or maybe I'm doing it wrong, or maybe I haven't understood it. So we're gonna use this on the web. So we're gonna use this is what we want. I'm gonna take this link, take it, then paste it there. So there we go. Now we have our font. Do I even remember how to this is funny. I don't even remember how to link CSS. So we need to link CSS. So we need to link. Okay, there we go. Good part is that we get help. So what did I put? CSS. Style.css. Okay, let's open up CSS there. I'm going to create a new file. Style. Body. I don't think I see any change. Let's pick this. There we go, guys. My bad. Okay. Well, it seems like we're getting someone. We're going somewhere. So let's continue. Let's see. Alright guys, so as you've seen how we've gone through this entire video tutorial for today, I hope you got to see how we use some of the classes that we have, and the documentation that we have. Especially it's now easier when pulling different CS properties like the padding, the margins. You actually write a whole lot of less CSS. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So catch me on the next part where we'll be doing the part 2. So I'm actually gonna do this as a series, and actually go on to do the little things, because now I also have to link some of the anchor tags, and we're also going to start adding some animations to make this look a bit more, appealing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching today. Please subscribe and like my video, comment, just let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you. It's your boy Prince signing out.